Now we know how to set our parameters. Let's set up our recipe. First, I'm going to change the weight of the grind by pressing here. Let's change it to 18 grams. There we go. Set that so it's ready to go. Let's set the speed and the distance. Now for espresso, we like to start around 180. Now that we've set our distance to 180, let's set the speed by pressing the arrow. I'm going to set it to 1000 and save just here. Let's get our portafilter ready by lifting up the cone here and securing it in place like so. Now we're ready to go. With our dose ready, I'm going to take the panel here and pull it 4 times. Lift the cone up and we're all ready. If you'd like more information on the XONE, check out our other videos.